Hi all, this is Lorena with momaboutcharlotte.com. I wanted to share my most recent life hack with you guys. So I spend a lot of time trying to figure out what I'm going to feed my family for dinner and also then ordering it online. This new thing that Harris Teeter's app has is amazing. Find out which recipe you're going to cook that night, copy the link, if I can copy it, then open up your Harris Teeter app. Scroll down. They've just added this, and maybe it's just new to me, but it is changing my life, and so I wanted to share. Paste it under shop by recipe. It's going to get your ingredients for you. It's going to list every single ingredient that is in your recipe, which is super helpful for me because I can just go through and I've got salt, I've got pepper. I want to swap out and see if I can get garlic that's less expensive. Yes, I can, so I can confirm the swap. And then I can add that all to my cart or add it to my list, and boom, dinner has been decided on, ordered, and we're ready to go. So I hope you guys like this life hack. If you want more life hacks and general fun around Charlotte, visit our blog, momaboutcharlotte.com.